In earlier grades, you did learn about parallel lines and that they never intersect. With reference to slope, they have the same slope. So if you're looking at line AB, here on the example I've given you here, it's the rise is 7 and the run is 5. And of CD, the rise is 7 and the run is 5. And these lines are parallel since they have the same slope. Are these lines parallel? Well, we have to find the slopes. JK, slope of JK, and we're going to do rise over run. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 4 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, negative 4 over 8, which is negative 1/2 for the slope. That was slope of JK, sorry. And the next one, the slope of MN. Our rise, 1, 2, 3, 4. Our run, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4 over 9. And it is a line that is downhill to the right, so we know it's negative, negative 4/9. We know that MN and JK are not parallel since they don't have the same slope. Let's look at GH. We have the slope of GH next. 1, 2, 3, down 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 over 6. And of course it is downhill, it is a negative slope. So it's negative 1/2. And we can see that GH and JK have the same slope. So we can say JK is parallel to GH. Here we have 3 lines, line EF, line AB, and line CD. And we could find the slopes of these lines by plotting the points on a grid. I'm going to use the slope formula, and we have the slope formula. y2 subtract y1 over x2 subtract x1. I'm going to use that to determine the slopes of EF, CD, and AB. And let's start with AB, the slope of AB. And I'm going to call A x1, y1, and B x2, y2. And that would give us 7 subtract a negative 2 over negative 3 subtract negative 5. And of course, when we're subtracting a negative, is the same thing as 7 plus 2, which is 9 over 2. That gives us a positive slope. That looks right. We'll do slope of CD next. Slope of CD. I'm going to call C x1, y1 and D x2, y2. And that will give me 7 subtract negative 3 over 1 subtract negative 1, which that gives me 10 over 2, which equals 5. Well, I know that A, B, and CD are not parallel. The last line, EF, I'm going to use the slope formula again. The slope of EF, I'm going to call E x1, y1, and D, F x2, y2. Using the slope formula, that will be negative 6 subtract negative 2 over negative 1 subtract negative 3. That is 8 over 8 over 2, which equals 4. As you can see, the slope of these lines are not the same, therefore they are not parallel.